my gosh. Who do you guys think won? 65 Fastback or the 2017 GT350? My ears are ruined, to say the least. I can't hear. So if you know of a ear doctor, let me know. But you guys, which one do you guys pick? Comment below. Alright, just jumped in the 350. We're gonna head on a little ride, get some engine noise and get some feel of it. So the 65 Fastback, I showed you guys, it needs restoration, the inside and outside. These seats are by far way more comfortable. And honestly, I think this car is just better overall. Like, I would say the looks are better, the sound is better, the feel is better, but what would you say? You like the...
I want a 65 body with all upgraded stuff.
That would be super cool.
Yeah.
Like, maybe put a... like the whole... So it would just be a shell.
Yeah, just the drivetrain, the brakes, everything of a newer vehicle on the old body.
That would be super sick. I think that would be like prime. Fully redone, nice paint job. That would be so sick. Editor, blur the speedometer. Just kidding, we didn't go that fast. So unlike the 65, there's a mirror over here, and a mirror here, and a mirror there. So I prefer 3 mirrors. 3 mirrors over 2, for sure. So. Like track mode or something?
I didn't hit anything.
Traction control's off.
Yeah,
well, we don't know exactly what happened. Traction control just turned off and the steering got super tight. That was weird. Maybe we... Oh?
It's not one thing, it's something else.
Weird. I'm not too sure that this car can be perfect for a whole day straight. It's gotta be.
There he goes.
What the heck? Can't really get a good angle. What does that say?
Service advanced track.
What? It went off again.
Steering and some kind of rear end manipulation so you don't slide around on snow, ice, gravel.
Or try to. What the?
Let's try this again. I mean, all we want to do is drive it, right?
Yeah. We bought this car for to just drive. I shouldn't say we, I should say you. Michigan Police Department. Seems to be running good now, maybe. Hopefully.
So, there's no codes.
That's good. I'll have you guys all know, the AC feels amazing when it works.
Like 200 degrees.
Yeah. I was sweating yesterday. Man. That car wash is going that fast.
Yeah. We can get it done.
I know. Sounds so good under there.
Well, we get the splitter one this week too.
Really?
Yeah, I think or next week, the 24th.
24th. Mark your calendar, boys. The video after the 24th will be the splitter. That'll be good.
Someone was selling an R steering wheel.
What's the difference?
That's the red, the white stitching.
Oh,
But it doesn't fit the 17. It's for 18 to 21, I guess.
dang.
Or 18 to 20.
There's a place on. So as I promised, that video I did with my dad, we did the Shelby in front of the garage a couple videos ago. Promised we'd have the 65 on here, so here it is. My dad's dad owns this car, so my dad actually learned to drive on this exact car, and now he has this. Literally one of his dreams coming true, have this car. He wants a GT 500 as well, so that'll be in the future, I can guarantee it. But wow, it's crazy to just see the cars next to each other. So my grandpa, my dad, and well, that actually just leaves room for me to get a car like this, and we'll have all three together. That would be so cool. So thank you, Grandpa, for coming on here and sharing your car. Thank you, Dad, for coming on here. So I really enjoy the 350. Obviously, it's our car, my dad's car. It's just so nice, so clean. Perfect. The interior is so nice, the seats are so nice, but the sound that 65 Mustang makes, it's incredible. So if you guys, I think it's a Flowmaster exhaust, so should we get that exhaust for the Shelby? I wonder how good it would sound on there. But you guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. I want you guys to comment below which car you would take. Also, during the Rev Battle, I want you guys to comment below which car sounded best, because honestly, while they're revving, they both sound insane. They both sound so different, but they're so good. So honestly, I don't know which one I would pick for winning that battle. So I'm actually gonna put the rev right after this clip, and just so we can compare again, so you guys can get it fresh in your brain. Comment below which one you choose. But after that rev, I'm gonna do one more time. That's gonna end this video. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Be sure to smash the like button, comment below, and subscribe, and stay tuned for all future videos. Be sure to turn post notifications on, and be sure to get your merch. But let's jump into the Rev Battle, and then after that, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.